Are you tired of feeling drained, unmotivated, and stuck in a rut? Are you craving a change, a real transformative shift in your life that will leave you feeling energized, uplifted, and ready to take on the world? Well, my friend, you're in luck, because today we're diving deep into the incredible power of cinnamon. Get ready to soak cinnamon in alcohol and witness the magic unfold in all key areas of your life: health, wealth, and love. Whether you're looking to supercharge your energy levels, boost your mood, or attract abundance into your life, cinnamon has got you covered. So grab a cup of tea, cozy up, and get ready to embark on a journey that will leave you feeling revitalized, empowered, and ready to live your best life. Hey there, energy enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're about to explore something truly magical: the ancient power of cinnamon. Now, when most people think of cinnamon, they think of it as just another spice to sprinkle on their oatmeal or latte. But oh, how wrong they are. You see, cinnamon is so much more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. It's a powerhouse of energy, a catalyst for transformation, and a key ingredient in the recipe for a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can harness the incredible power of cinnamon to unlock your full potential and create the life of your dreams. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to really understand what we're dealing with here. You see, everything in the universe, including ourselves, is made up of energy. It's a concept that was beautifully articulated by the great Albert Einstein when he said, "Everything is energy," and that's all there is to it. Now, when it comes to plants and spices, each one carries its own unique energetic signature, a special blend of vibrations that can have a profound impact on our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. And cinnamon, with its warm, spicy aroma and rich, earthy flavor, is no exception. But what sets cinnamon apart from other spices is its remarkable ability to boost our energy levels and clear away the heavy, stuck feelings that often weigh us down. You see, cinnamon isn't just a spice. It's a beacon of light in a world filled with darkness. It's a reminder that no matter how tough things may seem, there's always hope, there's always a way forward, and there's always cinnamon. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Are you ready to unlock the incredible power of cinnamon and transform your life from the inside out? If so, then buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of cinnamon magic. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. So, grab a pen, grab a journal, and get ready to take some notes, because what I'm about to share with you is going to blow your mind. Imagine, if you will, a symphony of vibrations weaving through the fabric of the universe, shaping the very essence of reality itself. This profound understanding, as eloquently encapsulated by the genius of Albert Einstein, reveals that at the core of all existence lies energy. Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Now, let's venture into the realm of botanical wonders, where the verdant guardians of nature hold sway. Each plant, with its own unique morphology and biochemical composition, radiates a distinct energy signature, a cosmic fingerprint, if you will. Some plants stand tall as stalwart sentinels, their energies imbued with protective properties that shield us from harm and negativity. Others, in their boundless generosity, offer sustenance and nourishment, nurturing our bodies and souls with their life-giving essence. And then, amidst this verdant tapestry, there is cinnamon, a humble spice that belies its profound potential, possessing the innate ability to invigorate our spirits and dispel the shadows of despair. But how do we unlock the latent power concealed within cinnamon's fragrant embrace? Fear not, for I am here to unveil a trove of ancient wisdom, a treasury of transformative practices that will guide you in harnessing the potent energy of cinnamon and infusing it into every facet of your being. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we delve into the sacred art of cinnamon alchemy. Our odyssey begins with the sacred rite of crafting a cinnamon infusion, an alchemical process that melds the elemental forces of fire, water, and earth into a potent elixir of vitality and renewal. Armed with naught but a simple glass jar, a splash of alcohol, and the humble cinnamon stick, you shall embark upon a voyage of transformation. Through meticulous preparation and sacred intention, you shall coax forth the latent energies of cinnamon, distilling them into a luminous elixir that pulsates with the vibrancy of life itself. Once brewed, this elixir becomes a talisman of empowerment, a sacred conduit through which the energies of cinnamon flow freely, bestowing upon you a sense of invigoration and resilience. Picture yourself, just before stepping forth into the tumultuous currents of the world beyond, anointing yourself with a trace of this sacred elixir, a gesture of empowerment that fortifies your spirit and emboldens your resolve to face the challenges that lie ahead. But our journey does not end there, dear traveler. Nay, we shall delve even deeper into the mystic depths of cinnamon's transformative power, unveiling the ancient practice of mantra-infused bathing rituals. As you immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of warm water suffused with the essence of cinnamon, you shall be enveloped in a cocoon of tranquility and renewal. With each breath, you shall release the burdens that weigh heavy upon your soul, allowing the purifying energies of cinnamon to cleanse and rejuvenate you from within. And remember, dear friend, these practices are not mere fleeting indulgences. They are potent catalysts for profound and lasting change. As you embark upon this journey of self-discovery and transformation, know that you hold within you the power to shape your destiny, one cinnamon-infused ritual at a time. So let us tread forth boldly into the realm of possibility, guided by the radiant light of cinnamon's transformative energy, and let us awaken to the boundless potential that lies dormant within us all. As our journey through the enchanting world of cinnamon draws to a close, let us take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom we have uncovered and the transformative potential that lies within each of us. We have delved deep into the essence of energy, unraveling the intricate tapestry of vibrations that permeate the very fabric of our existence. Through the guiding light of Albert Einstein's timeless words, everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. We have come to understand that we are not merely passive observers in this cosmic dance, but active participants, co-creators of our own destinies. In exploring the unique energy signatures of plants, we have discovered the extraordinary power locked within cinnamon, a humble spice with the ability to ignite our spirits and dispel the shadows of negativity that linger in our midst. Through the sacred practices of cinnamon alchemy, we have learned to harness this power, transforming it into a potent elixir of vitality and renewal. But our journey does not end here, for the true magic lies in the application of this newfound knowledge in our daily lives. As you embark upon the path of self-discovery and empowerment, remember that you hold within you the power to shape your reality, to cultivate a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. So let us tread forth boldly into the realm of possibility, guided by the radiant light of cinnamon's transformative energy. And so, my fellow travelers, as we bid farewell to this enchanted journey, may you carry with you the wisdom and insight gained along the way. May you embrace the transformative power of cinnamon with open arms, allowing it to illuminate your path and guide you towards a future filled with boundless potential. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with warmth, vitality, and the sweet aroma of cinnamon. Safe travels, and may your journey be filled with blessings untold.